Former President Donald Trump pleaded the Fifth and declined to answer questions during yesterday's deposition in front of New York Attorney General Letitia James.
News 10 ABC's Capitol correspondent Emel Taliji speaking with an expert who tells us what comes next.
Trump's deposition lasted hours yesterday.
Now he has gone ahead and he answered over about 400 questions with the Fifth Amendment. And it's telling. It really is telling as to what his focus now is going to be.
Leslie Silva is partner at Tully Rinke. She says the AG will now have to produce a report following the deposition. From there, she has two options.
She can pursue settlement negotiations, and I'm sure she will.
The AG can also request what's known as a negative inference based on Trump's Fifth Amendment answers, which could imply that the defendant is hiding something. This is an option exclusive to civil cases.
The other side can come in and say, well, he didn't answer. We want a negative inference that the answer was, that he did have intent or he did have knowledge personally of the inflation of the asset.
Silva says how the AG acts next will be telling to what her motivation is in pursuing this case. One option may be that she wants to suspend the Trump Organization's license in New York.
What she may not be able to do is to suspend him personally from doing business in New York. It depends on if she gets that negative inference and then the weight of it that will be decided during court, during a trial.
A spokesperson for the Attorney General said, quote, "While we will not comment on specific details, we can confirm that our office conducted a deposition of former President Donald Trump. Attorney General James will pursue the facts and the law wherever they may lead. Our investigation continues." The lawsuit accuses Trump of inflating his assets so he could gain loans. Silva says it doesn't seem like there were any damages done to the companies who provided Trump with insurance and finance coverage, but more will be revealed in the AG's report. Reporting in Albany, Emel Taliji.